Hello, welcome to Upside Down Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Chia Coins. You would need Chia Coins to join official or unofficial Chia Pools. Let's get started. In order to join Chia Pools, you need at least one Mojo on your wallet. So in order to get some Chia Coin, obviously you can go to an exchange, you can buy some Chia Coin, but that could be complicated because Chia Coin is not available on all the major exchanges. You need at least one Mojo because you need one Singleton when you're joining a pool. I've explained what Singletons are in my other Chia Pool video, which I will link up below. But basically, you need to have funds on your Chia wallet. If you do not, then you cannot join any of these Chia pools. Fortunately, there are free services called Faucets, which will give you free Mojos. Mojo is the smallest fraction of Chia currency. The official Chia faucet is called faucet.chia.net. You visit this website, put your public address, not a robot, submit, and you will receive your Mojo, usually within a few days, depending on how many other wallets are queued ahead of you. Another one is called azpool.org/Chia Faucet. Here again, you put your public key and click on I'm not a robot and claim. Now, you might ask, are these safe? The unofficial faucets, are they actually safe? Well, all you're doing is you're really just giving your public wallet address. So I can't really think of any dangers of providing your public wallet address. Unless they're asking for more information, I don't see a danger really doing so. Guys, if you think we shouldn't disclose our public Chia wallet address, please comment below and let me know why you think this is not a good idea. Because as far as I see, there's no harm providing your public wallet address. I mean, they can send you funds if they want to. I mean, I always include my public wallet address for donations and stuff like that. So I don't see a harm in doing that. Another one is called chia.garden/tools/faucet. Here you need to join their Discord group. So just click on that and join their Discord group. So what you do is you go to the faucet section here and then you just type in .freechia followed by your Chia address and that's it. And then you get your free Mojo in a few days. As you can see, everyone's providing their public address. There's really no harm doing so. Another one is called chia.crypto-faucet.ml. Again, you put your wallet address here, claim, and again, it's the same thing really. This is from the Telegram channel. Another one is called chia2start.eu. Again, same thing. You get some Mojos and you can claim every day. And here, the same thing is called chia2.com. And another one is called XCH, which is the Chia currency, XCH faucet.togotech.org. I've actually covered this in another video about Chia faucets, and I've actually received money from them quite quickly actually. So yeah, that's it really. If you found this video useful, please smash that like button and subscribe. My subscribers have been scientifically proven to win more Chia coins. Till the next video, crypto out.